ArtCAM is a CAM, computer aided manufacturing software with a very good 2D and 3D design capabilities. ArtCAM is really impressive and unique software for making attractive vectors and reliefs for profile cutting, carving, embossing, engraving, drilling, marking and many other applications. In module 1 of the training, we'll cover the 2D aspects of the software and its capability to convert your ideas and imagination to products and parts. You can see some of the 2D works. 2D application images. You can see we can work for letter cutting in acrylic or aluminum composite panel or wood itself, and many different ways we can make the signage boards. In one application, it's inside the vector it has been material has bin removed. In the other one, the area clearance method has been adopted for making the such a signs, and this clock dial type V-bit carving applications also used for decorative purpose and marking on badges, etc. Also for wall art, you can do the 2D profile cutting on the vector what you design, and for signage applications, again name modes and all, you can do the mixture of toolpaths operations to get that kind of output. Also interior and exterior applications, we call it jolly cutting and all this kind of thing. The wall separators can have very beautiful 2D profile cutting designs like this. Also the V-bit carving for wood carving application, it will look like a 3D, but it's a 2D application. Also we learned using this course. This same knowledge you can use for metal engraving purpose, metal cutting, metal letter cutting like that jewelry pendants, and engraving on area, letter engraving or embossing on the locket, and also for the die 2D die applications. Now we will see the benefits after completing this course. You will be able to design new vector files. That means you can start from the scratch with your ideas, where to the line to be placed, where to the vectors to be made, the what sizes you want to make and what shape you want to make. Accordingly you can design with your idea and develop a vector to create a product. Another option is that if the vector you want to make in some other software, or you are getting files from some other softwares like ArtCAM, CorelDRAW, like such that, we will also teach you how to import into ArtCAM software and work there to create further toolpaths. Most of the time you would have encountered with an experience of persons coming with different images and showing you to make some particular design. That time you have to do a reverse engineering or trace the image to get the required vector to make that product, and to create 2D toolpaths for profile cutting or drilling or embossing or V-bit carving and marking, depend upon your application. So this all will be covering in this course. While you work with the panel board, and if you want to cut the different sizes, different shapes, if you want to do a number of pieces and you have a board, you don't know how to place where to place different shapes, so that you can cut the parts with minimum material wastage. The nesting vectors will be very handy for that kind of application for you. And also to prepare the NC codes that give you optimum output in terms of machining time and the quality of work output to do 2D jobs with CNC routers. After completion of this module and with due practice, you should be able to do beautiful 2D designs and to make suitable toolpath to create NC codes for CNC machine. You can improve your creativity, productivity, and of course profit using this knowledge.
If you want to know more latest details about these kind of courses, you may please visit my website www.pradeepkumarkp.com. If you are interested in this subject, you may please share this information with others.